Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Lashed Double Boa 18 from 32. This classic looking snowboard boot features that durable synthetic and textile upper that combine with the Storm Shield all-weather seal to keep you comfy and ready to learn some new stuff this season. Got that pull-on tab at the back, which actually pulls this piece down here to make for an easy in and out, and you've got those boa cinch down systems. It's gonna help you lock down, get the perfect fit even with your gloves on. Got the extra protective toe up here and got some room in there as well to keep you cozy. And inside you've got that Team Fit liner construction with the dual density foam. It's gonna give you lots of warmth and comfort. Also got that lockdown system so you can make sure you get the perfect fit inside. You've also got these bad boys right here. It's the heel hold kit. Really add one at a time so you get that perfect customized feel. We've also got the 3D molded tongue for an even flex. The articulated cuff eliminates that shell distortion so you don't have any damage to your boot. And on the bottom, we've got the STI Evolution foam outsole, which offers lightweight cushioning for those hard impacts. So you're gonna be killing it on the mountain this season with these bad boys from 32.